Well, well, well. There's some edible daylilies, but I don't like them. They tend to give me a problem in the bathroom. They are very beautiful though. Very beautiful. The heck, I'll eat one anyway. This one looks good. Yes. Don't you people do that. Really, some people say they should only be cooked. I've eaten them raw and I only got a little problem in the bathroom later on if I ate too many. Well, these were so good yesterday. Once the flowers get wilty, they are not too good. I'll collect some of these and get out of here before these super game police come and check on me. Focusing, focusing, you can do it. These milkweed beetles will be taking over soon. We'll be gathering some of these. Smell so lovely, so lovely. Well, they're a little past their prime, but they'll do. Some more down there. Oh, this will be enough. We'll get back in a few moments. Get your little bag ready. Oh, we got a nice batch of milkweed flowers. Not too big of a batch, enough for a meal and a half or two. Check this out. Look at this big square cloud. I was never back this lot. This little lot right here. I wanted to check the logs for mushrooms. Let's look at this. Whoa. Look at this cloud. Look at this freaky thing. It's all freakiness. This one in front of it. Let's get a shot of this whole field here. A lot of poison ivy in this grass. Look at this. All kinds of strange openings. Let me back it up a notch. I didn't know I wasn't all on full. We're going to have a strange opening here. All kinds of overlappings. Oh, birds are coming to me for some reason. What? What? I have no food. What are I doing? What? They just love me, I guess. They just love me. I thank you for your presence, your accompaniment. And these will be the signs that accompany the true believers. Yes, even the birds will come to you in the presence of love. Because they know that you are their protector in times of need. Oh, there's no hiding the truth. See, nature shouts the truth. Let's go back and check this out. Okay, that's as far as we can go on that one. Look at the head on that. Anyway, I seriously don't know why all these birds came to me. I've never even been in this location before. One more shot of this and I'm going to get out of here. So this, there we go. Wow. Whoop, whoop. It's having a bit of trouble focusing because of all the fuzziness. Look at the head on that. Alright, and we're going to get out of here. Thank you, my friends. Thank you very much. Watch out for this poison ivy here. Maybe they're warning me of the poison ivy.